Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing a TEDx talk called Teaching with the Brain in Mind by Dr. Judy Willis. In today's fast changing world, teaching is not just about textbooks, it is about understanding how students learn. In her TEDx talk, Dr. Judy Willis explains how teachers can use knowledge about the brain to make learning more effective and fun. Dr. Willis, a neurologist turned educator, shares how the brain responds to different learning experiences.
सर नहीं
She
है क्या
explains that
पेरेंट
learning works
नहीं
best
जी
when students feel
कल
safe,
फिर अल्लाह बुला
engaged,
हो जाएगा
and motivated. Stress, boredom, or fear can actually block in learning, while curiosity and active participation help the brain absorb information. She emphasized that teachers should use brain based strategies in the classroom like hands on activities, movement, and real world examples. These strategies not only make lesson more exciting but also help students remember and apply knowledge better. Dr. Willis also points out that emotions play a huge role in learning. Positive interactions and encouragement active parts of the brain responsible for memory and critical thinking. On the other hand, negative feedback or pressure can just shut down learning pathways. Our talk is full of practical insights showing that understanding the brain is not just for scientists, it's for every teacher who wants students to succeed. By connecting teaching methods with how the brain works, educators can boost engagement, retention, and creativity. In conclusion, Dr. Judy Willis teaches us that great teaching is brain smart teaching. When teachers understand how students' brain function, learning becomes more effective, enjoyable, and lasting. A TEDx talk is a must watch for educators, parents, and anyone who wants to understand how the brain and learning truly connect. Thank you for watching.